What's going on, everybody? It's Crypto Crane. Today is September 14th, 2021, and I was scrolling and I came across some NFT play to earn games. Well, at least one play to earn game and an NFT project that was interesting. So I just wanted to bring them to you guys. Uh, so we'll go ahead and get started. All right, so I came across this, man. It's called Blockbots. All right, and so what it is it's a battle arena fighting NFT game. So it's a Blockbots. It says coming soon. Robots are live on the blockchain. Some protect the blockchain. Others are there to disrupt and take over. Only 2,500 Blockbots will ever be made. All Blockbots are one on one. No duplicates will ever be made. And once you purchase one, they want you to email so they can notify you once the battle arena is ready. All right, so they do have a Telegram, they do have a Twitter. They don't have a website yet. As you can see, over 12 Ethereum, 59 owners, and this is what the NFTs look like. All right, so NFT is roughly $500. And this one right here, NFT, if it comes up, internet been running slow. Probably need some more memory on my laptop. But this is the NFT right here, so it looks like cool NFT. And as I said, this one is Bone Cone. It's from the dark desert part of the blockchain. Only 5 warriors have survived the dark desert and lived to fight again. Bone Cone is highly respected and will forever feed ETH. All dark desert warriors come with a special dark desert attack. And so I found this on Reddit, and wanted to show you. I actually have a video of the game coming up, so this is what it looks like. And so this was the actual game. So it's called First Blockchain Game in Development. They do have a Discord, uh, and so they do have a Discord. I'll post the links to the Discord, etc., in the description. All right. So the next one that I wanted to show you guys was Foxxies. This is their Discord. As you can see, they have um, the announcements, everything, and they're actually minting. They started minting, I think, yesterday, or maybe minting soon. But this is the Foxy. So you have their OpenSea collection, which you can get on OpenSea or you can mint on the website. Over 21 volume ETH traded over 1.2 thousand owners. Foxy is a limited collection of 8,888 pieces. Each holder gets access to a elite club and owns equal share of DAO curated art platform. Okay, so you have to bid on these unless you go into the minting page, which is right here. So Foxy's art collection, like I said, of 8,888 high resolution NFTs, each one securing a spot at the curation board of the DAO digital art curated platform. Besides, each holder gets a mint pass airdrop for Pixel Foxys. Foxys co-own a art curated platform and decide which artists should launch their collections. The fees collected by the platform are equally distributed among Foxy holders. All right, so right here they have a Discord, Twitter, just OpenSea, and it says about Foxy's are. Let's see here, I already read that. I already read that. Elite Club, a space to discuss NFT, network, and connect to take the space to the next level. Besides, each holder gets a free Pixel Foxy airdropped after the meaning of the core Foxys is over. So you get a free Foxy after I guess after all 8,888 are sold. So yeah, minting went live 2 days ago. So you can mint for 0.05 ETH, and this is what the artwork looks like. And so this is the roadmap. 0% Foxy, which has been completed. So it says 0%. They have 33%. The Elite Club Metaverse reveal at 55%. The DAO curated art platform, 88%. The Pixel Foxy NFTs airdrop, and then 100% the creation board DAO. So the Elite Club Metaverse reveal, we will reveal Metaverse version sneak peeks. This is the DAO curated art platform. We, so the Foxes will jointly own the platform and decide which auctions. This is going a little bit too fast. So yeah. So this is the this is the team. Never ask you to DM ask for funds or to send funds to an external wallet. You can only get a Foxy through regular minting on 12/9. Okay, so these are the artists and people on the project, the developers. So you get a free Pixel Foxy. All right, so um, like I said, this is their OpenSea right here, and you can purchase them on there. Type in the Foxies. This is their smart contract, and as you can see, this is the tokens transactions. So you can see. Let me refresh it because I had it pulled up a minute ago. And as you can see, people again are buying them. There are transactions. Foxy's. It's the contract right here. Okay. And so yeah. So those were two gems, two NFTs that I felt like were gems. And I was very interested in the block bots. Definitely interested in this. I love fighting games. So I can't wait for they say the fighting game will drop in October. So let me know. You guys go ahead and if you like the content I provide, you find that interesting, go ahead and subscribe uh, to the page, like the video. Trying to grow the channel, trying to get 100 subscribers by uh, you know December. And we'll see if we can reach that goal. But we can't do that without you guys. So please subscribe, like, and comment below. Tell me what you think. You guys like the first blockchain fighting game? Uh, you guys think about the Foxy's NFTs? Comment below. Let me know. And follow me on Twitter, CryptoCrane20. Peace out.